masasarap na pagkain ngayong holiday season, hahanap-hanapin mo talaga yung mga simpleng pagkain lang. Yung madaling gawin, pero ang lasa, pang Pasko pa rin.
Of course, Mars! At sagot yan today ng kasama nating hot chef na si Mars Jennifer dito sa Mars Masarap!
I'd like to call this confetti pasta kasi because of the colors.
Okay.
Yan. So, kinat natin yung bell peppers na mga cube shapes, ganyan.
And then you also have basil.
Yeah, fresh
And
basil,
sun-dried tomatoes.
Sun-dried
Garlic.
Moist. And then of course, garlic, salt and pepper, and oil, and your cooked penne.
Yes.
And then the pasta is penne. It has to be penne.
Yes.
Okay. Meron akong trivia. Alam niyo ba na according to America's National Pasta Association, meron over 600 kinds of pasta shapes. At isa dito, yung penne pasta. Ang penne ay isa sa pinakasikat na Italian pasta shapes. It translates to the word pen or ball pen. At kita niyo naman ang pangalan na ito, inspired sa shape ito, short, cylindrical with angled edges, ng mga dulo ng quill o ng mountain
Oh,
wind.
that's why.
Kaya penne pasta.
Oo nga naman.
Amazing. Now, we
Nice one, Kuya Ken.
Share nyo na.
Kumusta, Andrea? Al dente ba?
Sarap. Perfect.
Naglalawang sa si Andrea.
Ay, nagugutom na tuloy ako.
We're gonna,
Masarap.
we're gonna add the olive
Okay, ako
oil.
assistant. Ano next?
Yan. Pwede na natin lagay ang
Lahat,
ating
mainit na.
garlic.
Gusto ko yung may mga assistant ka talaga dyan.
Yes!
Kaya kami nandito.
Nagugutom na kami.
Ito, ang gulay.
We love to eat.
Of the three of you, sino pinakamahilig kumain?
Si Gwen. My gosh.
Halata naman eh.
Grabe
Hindi
kumain.
halata, pero malakas kumain yan.
Oh.
Grabe.
Buffet pa.
Pero nag-aaral ka ng culinary arts.
Yes, I did. Culinary arts graduate ako. So, inuna
Mamaya na to?
lang natin yung bell peppers kasi this cooks longer than the others.
Oh, these are the things that chefs know that we don't know.
Kung ako yan, nilagay ko na lahat eh.
Sabay-sabay.
Oo.
So, medyo palalambutin natin yung bell
Yeah,
pepper.
palambutin mo ng konti. We can add salt na. For other vegetables, like let's say tomatoes, eggplant, zucchini, pagka sinutain mo na siya, you'd like to put salt kagad. Yeah. Bukod sa lasa, it will also reduce the water. Kasi di ba ang vegetables na...
Yes.
For water retention.
Yeah. Para hindi siya... Para magandang sear.
Ito na ang ating sun-dried tomatoes.
Yeah.
Kailangan ba sound yung tomatoes?
Si Gwen, natansikan ng oil. Sorry sis, I love you. Hindi talaga maiwasan sa kitchen na gano'n, no? Yung
Oo, may spill, may
matalamsikan. Okay, next, pwede natin ilagay ang ating sun-dried tomatoes.
May
Parmesan.
tanong si Kuya Kim. Hindi, yeah, you're asking kung pwedeng fresh tomatoes or kailangan
Yes,
sun-dried?
pwede. Ang sun-dried tomatoes lang kasi, mas intense yung flavor niya, yung acidity. Yes, it's concentrated na.
And that's what we like about it sa dish na to.
Yeah, since star of the dish are the vegetables and yung tomatoes, I decided to use sun-dried para mas ma-intensify yung flavor ng sauce for the pasta.
Okay.
You know, you're also DJ eh, di ba? So nakikinig ka rin ng music habang nagluluto ka.
Yes, I love to listen to music. Tsaka, di ba nga, pag nagluluto, kailangan medyo sumasayaw para mas sumarap yung pagkain.
May sinasayawan? Sinasayawan.
Yung pagkain, kayo naman.
Okay.
Yan.
Ang bango. It's not that good na.
Kasi ganun.
Ang daling gawin.
Yeah. Pag,
This?
ayun, pwede. Ikaw na sis, oh.
Ikaw.
Dali lang siya. Tapos na yan. After natin ilagay yung ating pasta.
Sauce in the penne.
Hindi ko lang sa salt. Pero pwedeng ibang pasta.
Pwede
Pwedeng
rin.
gumamit. Or bakit
Pero
penne?
parang mas bagay sa...
Yeah, kasi
mas bagay.
I'm making confetti pasta. Di ba confetti medyo ganun din yung picture?
Right.
The colors
Right.
have to be very...
Yeah.
Shapes din pala
Very
matters.
colorful.
Andrea, marami ka mga social media posts kasama ng mga anak mo. Anong bonding nyo together? Do you cook together also?
Actually, sometimes with my boyfriend's daughter din. We do a lot of baking.
Okay.
Kasi, di ba, yun yung fun para sa mga bata, di ba? Yung nagamit nila yung kamay nila. So, Bea likes to bake more than anything else.
Aside from the fact na marunong mag-polo, so syempre,
Iba yan si Mars.
polo lang naman ang hobby.
Yes, natutunan kasi nakaka-board din manood lang ha. So, sabi ko, might as well mag-aral na rin.
At ikaw naman, Gwen, you're still into real estate? Saka maano? Gwen, na busy,
Busy.
Alam ko, takam na takam ka na, no?
Kanina pa.
Takam na takam ka na.
Gutom na.
Gwen, are you still into real estate?
No, I stopped.
Okay. So what's been keeping you busy?
Campaign shirts and I'm selling
Business.
Yeah.
May shirts, mabenta kayo.
And then calamity for machines.
Calamity
Yeah.
sheets.
Ang mga kumukuha mga government.
Sideline.
Gwen Garcia.
Oo nga naman.
Ito naman si Jennifer, saka rin martial artist. Ano ba martial art mo?
MMA now. I'm training MMA and FMA because I'm doing a movie with Direct Mona Fajardo. So it's about Filipino martial art. Ilagay ko na yung fresh basil and this is done.
Bango.
Yes.
Smells good.
We can top this with Parmesan cheese sa mga hindi naka-vegan
cheese?
diet dyan. Yan. If you're a vegetarian, you can have cheese.
Sarado pa.
So once na medyo nag-wither na ng konti yung fresh basil, we are good!
This is it, guys.
Try it, guys. It's
Yummy!
Alam mo, obvious talaga na magaling ka magluto.
Thank you.
Pagkasarap. And I like the consistency of the pasta, ha? Medyo may pagka-al dente siya.
Dente.
I think,
Al dente is the best way.
Mars, uwi na natin to.
Ang sarap talaga, Jen. I'm really gonna make this at home.
It's so
Kasi ang
simple.
simple.
It's so simple and it tastes really good.
Thank you!
Ang saya.
At agree ako, Mars, dun sa Christmas feels. Diba?
Yeah.
There is a bit of
Sa
that.
kulay pa lang, Mars. It's very Christmassy. Thank you, Jen.
Thank you,
Grabe.
Mars.
I'm glad you guys liked it.
Oo,